If you're a homeowner in Worcester, you already know how much the region's shifting seasons can affect your comfort indoors. From the chilly New England winters to warm, humid summers, your home is constantly working to regulate temperature. One of the most effective ways to improve comfort and reduce monthly energy costs is by upgrading to high-quality Worcester windows. Modern replacement windows are engineered to deliver superior insulation, and the benefits go far beyond a nicer view. They can transform your home's energy efficiency, reduce drafts, and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures all year long. The role of high-quality windows in home insulation. Windows are one of the biggest sources of energy loss in a home. Older or poorly installed windows allow indoor air to escape and outdoor air to seep in. This forces heating and cooling systems to work harder, ultimately increasing your energy bills. Worcester Windows, built with today's insulation technologies, drastically improve this situation. Modern insulated windows generally feature double-pane or triple-pane glass, which creates a buffer zone between the inside of your home and the outdoor climate. The space between the panes is often filled with argon or krypton gas, which slows heat transfer. Combined with low-E coatings, special coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light in, these windows significantly strengthen your home's thermal barrier. Why Worcester climate makes window insulation even more important. Worcester homeowners experience some of the widest temperature swings in Massachusetts. Cold winters can bring freezing temperatures and strong winds, while the summers bring heat and humidity. Poorly insulated windows struggle to handle these extremes, leading to cold drafts, uneven room temperatures, excessive HVAC usage, higher energy bills year-round. Upgrading to energy-efficient Worcester windows helps your home adapt to these fluctuations more effectively. With better insulation, your home stays warmer longer in winter and cooler longer in summer, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. The long-term impact on energy bills. One of the biggest advantages homeowners notice after upgrading their windows is lower monthly utility costs. Energy-efficient windows help reduce both heating and cooling expenses by improving the home's overall thermal performance. Here's how Worcester windows lead to savings. Reduced heat loss in winter. High-performance windows act as a barrier to cold air. Your heating system doesn't have to run continuously to maintain a comfortable temperature, leading to lower heating bills. Improved heat blocking in summer. Low-E coatings reflect heat from the sun, preventing your home from overheating. This keeps your air conditioner from working overtime. Consistent indoor temperatures. With fewer drafts and temperature fluctuations, your HVAC system cycles less frequently, saving even more energy. Most homeowners see noticeable changes in their energy bills within the first few months of installation. Additional benefits: comfort, noise reduction, and durability. While improved insulation and energy savings are the top reasons Worcester homeowners choose modern replacement windows, the benefits don't stop there. Enhanced comfort. No more cold spots near the windows or rooms that never feel the right temperature. Noise control. Multi-pane windows provide excellent soundproofing, perfect for homes near busy streets. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to buyers. Condensation control. Properly insulated windows minimize indoor condensation, reducing risks of mold or frame damage. A worthwhile investment for Worcester homeowners. For homeowners looking to boost comfort, cut energy costs, and improve overall home performance, upgrading to modern Worcester windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. With advanced insulation features and energy-saving technologies, today's replacement windows offer long-term value and year-round benefits. Whether you're renovating an older home or simply trying to reduce your utility bills, high-quality windows can make a significant difference. If you want a home that feels more comfortable in every season, and keeps more money in your pocket each month, energy-efficient Worcester windows are a clear choice.